hear my... Turn it up. Okay. We wasn't gonna do this one, but he just played it, so I'm gonna have to do it. So, okay. Yo, how you doing? Damn, it's been a minute. It's been years since you left, but I still don't get it. Sometimes I wonder how things would be like if you were still in my presence, still feeling my essence. Wish I could've persuaded you to stay that day. You went away and left your kiddo. This from the news rock crews of you. My tears found its way to soak and upset my pillow. Shit, your boy's grown now. I found out with love. If I met bitches on the way you wouldn't want me to rock with. Yeah, I did graffiti to B-boys and tip-top events, open mics and concerts, to hip-hop events. Anyways, how you doing? Did you shed some light hands? Let's have a nice with GoPros and got a white man. How's your hair, girl? How them clothes is fit? And if you got him to send, could you send me a picture? Sing along with it. Spoke to your sis the other day, she probably told you about it. She said, yo, I was close, so I wouldn't even doubt it. Got a few questions, but am I not in here? Do you still have my back like when you was my friend here? I heard the way you stay in perfection is perfect, and that he had the power to kill the infected. I heard it through the body, but my mind don't respect it. So when you get a chance, could you double check it? And if it's true, then have him make me taller and take the scars off my face. I wouldn't want him to neglect it. I'm asking too much, I should leave it where I'm at, but my mind's affected. I'm cursed with chaos, never studied for life. Crammed it at the last minute, but I hope to pass the course and leave the past vacant. But I done my shirt pads, I don't know if I can make it. Apology if I don't, and I hope that you would take it. Come on guys, you gotta sing it. This is the last part right here. Alright, that's it guys, hey.